What is up guys, AJ here, and in today's video I'm going to show you the #1 app in Windows 10. I'm a huge fan of Microsoft on Windows 10, if you can't tell by the t-shirt, but one of my favorite features on OS X is the ability to quick look, where you can press spacebar and preview any document before you actually open it. In Windows, I've always found it a bit cumbersome where you have to either open up the full program or go right click and preview, and it's just, on Apple they've got it down to one step. Microsoft, however, haven't built this into Windows 10 yet, which is where the best Windows 10 app comes into play. The app I'm going to show you today is called Quick Look, and it brings the functionality of a single spacebar click to preview any of your documents. Why is this the best app on Windows 10? Because it's really easy, super intuitive, and it makes your workflow so much better. So come with me, let's have a look at the app. So let's jump into the Windows Store and download it. It'll take a minute or two because it's quite small, and then we're ready to go. First thing I'm going to do is open up 3 files, a photo, a PDF, and a video in the traditional way. And watch what happens. The photo opens up in the Microsoft Photo app, the video opens up in Film, the PDF opens up in the PDF editor. So 3 files, 3 programs. Imagine if you're trying to look for a particular file or document and you've opened up 6 of these. You've opened up 6 instances of that program. It takes a while. And that can get really tiring really quickly. Now, watch me do it with Quick Look. I'm going to jump on the file, I'm going to press spacebar, and you're going to see it's going to pop up in the middle of the screen. It's going to pop up in my File Explorer as a little preview window. I'm not jumping to a different app, it loads faster, and if that's not the right file, I hit escape, arrow key to the next one, spacebar, and it opens it up. I can navigate through a folder so much faster. I'm not opening up hundreds of applications trying to find the right document. I'm just previewing each one, escaping it, and if it is the right one, happy days. So this is why Quick Look is the best app on Windows 10, and it takes me what I'd argue is the best feature of OS X and brings it into your Windows 10 computer. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments on Quick Look, and if you think it is the best Windows 10 app, and if not, what do you think is? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.